Hi friends, I'm back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you one recipe of chickpea salad. Now salad is something where you have three main parts. One is the base of the salad, one is the actual salad, and then the dressing on top of that. So for base we can use like lettuce leaves, spinach leaves, and cabbage leaves, so many things like that. For the body of the salad, which is actual salad, where you can use either the sprouts, either the pulses, then the different vegetables, then you can use different fruits in that. Okay, and the last part is dressing, which is equally important. Without the dressing, salad is something incomplete. Okay, so now today we are going to make chickpea salad. So come, let's see the ingredients. So here I have got chickpeas. These are the boiled chickpeas which I have soaked for 12 hours or overnight and then boiled it in the cooker for around 8 to 10 whistles. Okay, so these are the chickpeas. Then we have got carrot, we have got tomato, we have got cucumber and some lettuce. Salt is here, but salt I am not going to use it in the salad. I am going to use it in the dressing. For dressing I have got orange here, then I have got olive oil, salt. Okay. So before starting, I'll just tell you the ingredients ratio. If I'm taking one big bowl of chickpeas, boiled chickpeas, then I'm going to have one small carrot, one small tomato and one small cucumber. In this, if you want, you can add little potatoes, boiled potatoes, or if you want, you can use little sprouts, it is up to you. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so now I'm going to add chickpeas in the bowl. On top of that, I'm going to add carrot. Then goes tomato. And then goes cucumber. Okay. Here I'm going to use lettuce as my base. But still, I'm going to put little bit of lettuce in the salad also. And little I'm going to keep it for my base. Just lightly toss the salad. It is already looking so colorful. Okay. For kids, you can use boiled macaroni also. It really goes very well in this salad. So now this is done. I'm quickly going to squeeze this orange for my dressing. Two spoons of orange juice, and here goes 1 spoon of olive oil. Olive oil goes very well for salad dressings. And salt as per your taste. And this dressing will go when you are going to serve your salad. So just mix it lightly. In this dressing, again, if you want, you can put a little bit of herbs like finely chopped coriander, or anything like some dried basils or mixed herbs or anything, as per your choice. These are just the variations I'm telling you. Again, for dressing, you can use many variations like just olive oil, lemon, salt and sugar with little bit of black pepper. Okay, so I'm going to add little black pepper in this. Okay, so this is our dressing is ready. So now we are going to plate our salad. Okay, so I'm going to place few lettuce leaves here for the base. Here goes our salad. Okay, so now we are going to add our dressing to the salad. Just before serving, we are going to add our dressing. And for the herby touch, little bit of coriander. So our salad is ready. So here it goes. This is our chickpea salad. Very healthy, very lots of protein in this, and you can make so many variations in these salads. Okay, stay tuned for the next video, and please do subscribe, share and like my channel.